So what's up guys, this is Dion Gaming, playing GTA Online. Dito tayo ngayon sa server na Philippine Limit Roleplay. At ang gagawin natin sa araw na ito ay magpapakustomize ng sasakyan at mga ngarera. So, let's go! So guys, dito na tayo sa mechanic shop. At ito, papakustomize na natin ang ating sasakyan na Sultan. At ito ang ikakarera natin mamaya. So, pupunta muna tayo sa sa bahay nitong mechanic kasi make mechanic kung gusto niya lang na magpa-customize ng sasakyan dito sa server na to. Pagtayin niya lang yan si Boss Mech. So yan guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa bahay niya. Kukunin yung sasakyan niya dahil kukustomize din niya yung sasakyan niya. So, hinto muna tayo dito guys. Red light eh. Yan. Siyempre, realistic tayo maglaro eh. Kaya, kailangan natin sumunod sa batas trapiko. So yan, pupunta na tayo dito, malapit lang naman yung bahay niya. At yun, nandito na tayo sa bahay niya. Meron na rin siyang garage. Meron na rin siyang garage dito guys. Ayan. Yung bahay niya. Hintay lang natin siya dito guys. Yun. Diyan na siya, palabas na yan. Kinuha na lang yung sasakyan niya. Hintayin lang natin dito guys. Angos ng ilaw ko guys, so tignan nyo. Nagbiblink yung ilaw ko guys. So edit nga natin yung graphics guys. Tignan natin yung graphics nito. Ay, mababa. Max natin to lahat guys. Yan, max natin tong rotation. Tsaka shadow. Then max natin to resolution. And brightness, yan. And sige, max na. Mukhang lumabo guys. Yan na siya. Kaya na si Boss Mech. Pupunta na kami sa mechanic shop. And papa-customize na kami. And may karera na gaganapin dito. So ayan, nandito na kami. Dito na kami sa mech shop. At customize na ni Boss Mech yung sakyan ko. At dito rin natin malalaman kung magkano yung flavor ng mga mekaniko. Ayan. Ito ay sasakyan pala niya na Boss Mech. Kulay yellow na Turismo. And Turismo na kulay yellow. Ang ganda rin yung sasakyan niya. Talagang pangbigatin. Parang Supra GTX X300. Tiyan na. Hindi ko alam kung anong sasakyan yan. Pero yun ang lumabas eh. So, dito tayo sa sasakyan pa. Yung modern na sasakyan dito sa GTA. Yung hindi ito mawawala. Ito ang mga sasakyan ng mga criminal. Sultan. Ito yung guys. Ayan, may dumating na customer. Ganda na sasakyan. Bigatin din to guys. Ayan guys. So, magbabayad na tayo guys. Dahil na-customize na yung sasakyan namin. Ayan, magbabayad na kami guys. Grano kaya singil nito? So yun guys, sabi niya, libre na daw yung labor. Pero hindi ako papayag. Mabayaran natin to guys. Dahil pinaghirapan niya na ayusin at i-customize yung sasakyan natin. Kaya babayaran natin siya. Gamit ang bank po dito sa phone ko. And bank transfer na lang natin guys. And puntahan na namin yung sasakyan, then magpuproceed namin din sa car show. Kitang-kita niya naman guys. Yung pagkagawa ni Boss Mek. Pakaangas guys.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
So yun guys, tapos na yung car show and nagkarera kami guys. Talo guys, kitang-kita nyo naman, binangga ako. Ang daya itong kalaban natin guys, ang bilis-bilis na nga, binangga pa ako. So yun lang guys, for this video. Then shoutout nga pala sa owner, si Sheila guys. Then sa kasama namin kanina, yung isa na wala si Boss Mek. Niiwan kami guys. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Shoutout sa followers natin dyan. Follow and subscribe guys. This is Jam Gaming. Peace out. Gang gang. Skr skr.